told ya. Did you see it go up?
Up! I see it go to the moon! Whoa!
Moon tune. 3.
22.
Try a third. Just put a little load on it. 22 pounds.
It shoots it though.
Yeah. Yeah, instant. Yeah. Okay, so what we gotta do, put the stock line in, and then we'll just put a T in it and bleed just off with the T. And it'll calm it down like 16, 17.
I like it.
We'll do it at the old Kenny U-Pull.
Yeah. I'll just try to drive it like a sensible.
Yeah. What's up, guys? So I'm just gonna add this to yesterday's video. So we got everything together, but today basically we're installing the boost controller. So it's just a quick cheap one, but that does its job there. So we just got a Y into it. You can see down there. So we're gonna take this thing for a rip and then adjust it. So we have it almost closed all the way right now. I just turned it 1 whole revolution. So I turned it 1 revolution or 2?
You were like, oh, I said, Murr, give it 2 clicks, and you're like, oh, 2 clicks, and he grabs it like this, and he flips it 180 and flips it 180. So we're gonna try it.
That's 2 clicks. So,
but if you do it yourself, always do it 1 click at a time, because you'll hit fuel cut easy. We don't care, because whatever.
We know. This was hitting 15
this
before.
Thing will just bounce right off fuel cut.
I can't wait to see that. That's like even just the piping's cold right now.
Oh, dude, when we rip, I'm telling you, it's gonna be
night and day. So we're gonna get this all back together. We're gonna get the mass airflow plugged back in, and then yeah, we'll go from there.
Yeah.
There you guys. So we gotta give her a couple more twists.
Twist. She's not twisted over.
What is it? How much is it?
Stop.
6 pounds?
Yeah, 6 pounds. We're booking her now. Oh, you're the tires. Whoa.
Pretty good scoop on her, guys.
She's up pretty high now. It looks aggressive.
I'll get out and give her like 2 more of them half 180s.
Half 180s there. The mirror 180s, the half turn.
Alright guys, so
I pulled over and opened that thing 4 times now. So we're just going with all the way open, and then we'll work our way down.
Yeah.
We'll go from there. How about that?
We know she's good for it, so.
Yeah, so we've had her cut off fuel cut a few times already, and she didn't blow up.
She's fine.
Might need a head gasket or 6 after I do this.
Hopefully she'll actually hit the 15.
I mean, I'd be happy to hit fuel cut at this point. It's just not boosting. Well, we're boosting, but just not.
What was that?
It's funny. That was still only like 6. Works good in first, eh? It's got such a low gear.
You can hear that she
gets out.
She's got a little more boost there.
Needs the load.
These fucking 35s too, man.
We're gonna take boost control and pop it right off and just run the line with the T.
Yeah, just with the T.
Yeah, that'll work. And if not, we'll just zip tie it closed every little bit until it stops hitting fuel cut and we have more boost.
Or add another T.
Or add another T. Just keep keying it off until it hits 16. Hey, yeah. We'll just keep putting a bunch of circles in it.
We're gonna make it work.
Maybe go left and right. That'd be better than a T. It'd be really fucked up.
Let's go up here.
It likes it though. I wonder if the intercooler's too small. No, she'll feed the boost right through that.
That's getting cold, fresh air. I'm gonna check the pipe too here in a sec.
Compare both. See how hot the hot side and cold side. Should I go to Ken right quick?
Yeah.
I wonder if my flathead screw is gonna hold on that hood scoop. Oh, hello. You can't cut the tree down in the woods. You can't steal the tree.
Go up here.
Should I just go out and whip around?
Yeah, start whipping.
Should I? See if we roll the 35 right around. Pop right off the bean, eh? Oh.
This is a good spot to come in with a
I've
chance,
never
man.
seen this before, bro. I've never been here. This is my new favorite place.
Start whipping her. Oh.
Take it right here, shove her in first, blow the transmission, all the hell. That's it. just pop the whole thing right off. Okay? Let's go pop it off.
Yeah, this is a nice spot. This is a nice spot. It's actually pretty big.
I think this is that cheap boost controller that some people
Yeah, it's just a cheap
some
one.
people
I got it
drill
for
out the
free.
inside or something so it actually works right.
I got it for free, so.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, you're literally open all the way.
Yeah, it won't let any more air pass. There's nothing in it. It's open all the way.
Yeah. Hey,
So, who's this now?
just buddy turning around. A bell.
Coming down for a dig.
A lot of people probably turn in here.
There it is. There's your boost controller. Right there.
It literally blew off some air.
Did I bring a zip tie?
Keep that one. Oh, that's not a zip tie.
No. Wonder if I can pinch
Well, let's
the line
just
with
go
it.
for a quick
Can we
little
put it
dig.
on?
Yeah, you probably could.
Let's see if it'll go. If I can pinch the line down, then it'll control the boost.
Look,
somewhat.
another person.
They're probably coming down to see the truck.
All of them.
Yeah. No, that's too small. Well, maybe I can crush it though. Right? We're really getting.
Well, let's
Jimmy
just
digging
try it
thing,
right
bro.
now. You'll know as soon as you start rolling into it.
Once she blows right up. Jam that in there.
She's gonna come out.
Suck that right in.
What's she
Blow
doing?
that right up.
Jumping in the bushes over there. That'd be fun. Hey, good old junkyard runs.
I love these. Oh, fuel. My mod, eh? Isn't that dope?
Yeah.
Didn't even do a video on it at all.
No.
The thing is, if I did a tutorial, it wouldn't make sense because everyone else would have to hook into their stock fuel stuff, right? So you gotta loop a bunch of shit. This ain't the same. This ain't a Supra. This is a truck.
It's true.
This is true. Oh, that was getting everyone. Hey, whoa!
Okay, now let's go up
Going
here.
pretty good for first gear. She
Yeah.
only got to do that. Oh, that was 10 right there. It seems like I'm gonna be able to put this right to the mat with the thing wide open, with no boost controller.
Yeah.
Wastegate, the hole's too small on the turbo for this big girl.
We'll just pull the line off the gate in a minute.
We're gonna have to put the Garrett turbo on this, aren't we? Get a bigger one for the Supra. Right back to 10. She's gonna need an XDD soon, I think.
Give her the beans.
Right?
We'll take a monster clutch if you got one.
Yeah. Yeah, the clutch. I've been smelling the clutch a bit lately.
She's mental. She's working good though.
It's working good. It's still only 10.
Yeah, but it's pulling harder at. I feel like it's almost even pulling harder at 10 because it's got the cold intake air temp.
Yeah.
Cause she's pulling it good there.
It's pulling pretty good. For 35.
Wait, light the tires up.
I don't think it will anymore.
Yes, it will.
It doesn't have that 15 like it did there, low.
Those are big though. Yeah, it is warm.
Slowly you can join 3 out of this girl.
Yeah. She works good though.
I've been looking at clutches though, because I know it needs a clutch. Probably shove a $200 special in there and see if she lasts.
Yeah. Transparent.
Same as the drain.
Made it
Same as
clutch.
all of them, bro. Might as well, they work.
Alright guys, so we're bringing you along for the ride today. So we tried the boost controller and with it max it still didn't really want to want to go back to where it was. So it was happy at 15, 16. I think it's pulling harder with that, like that, but
well, it was really
just because
hot.
the intake air temps are way down right now. Like, did you grab the pipe? You didn't, eh?
No.
Okay, well, let's go do a dig and see.
Do a dig. Alright, let's see what happens.
So right now we just basically, the wastegate's open right now, so it's not gonna do a lick.
Yeah, it's not even gonna open.
No.
It's just gonna stay close. It's gonna hit her boost, right? It's not gonna pull open.
It's got nothing to force it.
Yeah. Oh, she likes it. I can already tell.
You said that last time and it did.
It did like it. Yeah, it did though.
Yeah, it did.
She
like
was
it.
loving it.
Oh,
Had like
she
an extra pound of boost.
Yeah, she loved it.
I'm not gonna get on the highway though, because that right there, man, she wants to come right off the truck. Like, look at it.
We gotta finish it. Put her in second, yeah. Oh, I told ya. Did you see it go up?
Up! I see it go to the moon! Whoa!
Moon tune. 3.
22.
Try third. Just put a little load on it. 22 pounds.
It shoots it though.
Yeah. Yeah, instant. Yeah. Okay, so what we gotta do? Put the stock line in, and then we'll just put a T in it and bleed just off with the T, and it'll calm it down like 16, 17.
I like it.
We'll do it at the old Kenny Hoople.
Yeah. Well, I'll just try to drive it like a sensible gear for a couple seconds. Oh no, that's second gear, not that gear. Let's leave it at that gear, right? Yeah, we don't want. Let's try it one more time.
No, it really doesn't like that. 3.
That thing's screeching, bro.
We know it's good though.
She's built a lot.
She's studded. She can take her.
Yeah. If it blows up, I'll just rebuild it.
Yeah. So we know the turbo is good for at least 20 something. Oh.
The pipes will hold.
Yeah.
That's what I'm happy with.
Hey, my welds are holding.
Man, you're not looking at the bright side here.
22 pounds. My intercooler didn't blow.
That girl gave me a thumbs up, man.
Yeah.
She was loving my truck. I'm getting the feel for the open wastegate here. Let's try it forward. I'm gonna end up smoking a bunch right out of this truck. I already know that.
If you shift it like you were, yeah.
Just feeding it? Yeah. I probably will. You gotta not do that.
Couple of Yodas back there.
Yeah, they got a clutch in them. Oh, what's this fella doing? I forgot we got breakfast, dude.
Yeah.
Should we see what second gear is doing or no?
No, it's
Should probably leave it right out a second. That guy was like, what the hell was that, man?
School
It
bus
screws
guy.
up so many faces, right? So
If we could tame it down though, like 4 or 5 pounds, I think it would like it. Because right now, like I think the intake air temps had a big effect of it hitting boost cut before.
yeah.
Or fuel cut.
Yeah, I didn't really like it. It worked good though.
Oh, it worked good. 15 pounds. It was.
I can lay right into it. I'm catching it right before it hits the truck.
Yeah, we'll tame it down. But I think the Y, like you said, people with the boost controllers, they hone them out a lot bigger.
Yeah, they honed them out bigger so it can, but man, we ran the straight line.
Yeah.
It's only a half a foot of line, it's not that long.
Yeah, I know.
Look at what, maybe the line's too small?
No, it shouldn't be too small. I would say it's just, that's what the wastegate pressure wants now that it's tamed down. You know what I mean? Now that you have a cooler on it. It's a big difference,
Yeah, we
but
still don't even have a wideband. We just keep giving her all the fuel and the boost. But we fixed the oil leaks.
we fixed
Okay?
everything.
We fixed
yeah.
all the oil leaks.
It's got the 12 volt mod.
Besides the
We still
oil
got the
coming out the
Walbro to put in it.
Yeah, I haven't even put the Walbro in. That'd probably be helping us.
So the Walbro, and then you still got to do that other mod. He looks at it. Hard not to look at her.
You can get really loud there if I catch her right before she gets fueled up. Hey man.
What are you building?
I'm building everything. I'm doing a mod I read about on the internet, on the Supra forums. On the
So what's it do?
igniter by some guy named Chris Becks. He came up with it. And,
so you pull your cover off?
So you pull your cover off, and you be very gentle, because this is older than most of us.
Yes.
Okay? 32 years old. So very gently peel that. Those wires up. You see that little star screw there? You just pop that off. You gotta drill a hole through the back here. And then you just directly to that ground, out to your battery. And then it makes it so
your Supra truck's fast.
your Supra truck's way faster. No, it really doesn't add any power or anything. It just makes it
helps
smoother on the low idle and everything. Because you're kind of silly.
For the spark system.
Yeah.
So I got another T in here. Down here. Bleeding off. So we're gonna go for another rip. See that? Chad got his new side skirts for the Supra.
Yeah. Should we set them up right quick? Show. They're gonna work?
Yeah. We'll get Rob to help us.
Strap those right up, bro.
Yeah.
So that'll
go in there. There's a steel piece in the back side of that.
Yeah,
You
in the
can
back of this.
rivet it too.
Yeah.
That'll give us that nice lip look.
I mean, that's with it. And then watch it here, I'll try to hold it and then move it. Right? Oh my lord. It's so much lower looking.
Sick.
And that's cool, that's off a Lancer. So 20 bucks. That's
20
beautiful.
bucks.
20 bucks is great.
And his bench seat for the dog.